Welcome to our comparison of two leading dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the GKU Dash Cam. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo records at 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, providing excellent clarity, especially in low-light conditions. In contrast, the GKU Dash Cam boasts a 4K resolution for the front camera, which offers sharper images during the day. However, the VIOFO's superior night vision capabilities may give it an edge in darker environments. When it comes to pricing, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, making it a premium option. On the other hand, the GKU Dash Cam is more budget-friendly at $109, providing a great value for those looking for essential features without breaking the bank. Both dash cams come with essential features like Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode. However, the VIOFO offers additional functionalities such as HDR, motion detection, and a super capacitor for better performance. The GKU Dash Cam, while less feature-rich, includes a 64GB SD card and a wider field of view, making it a solid choice for basic recording needs. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the GKU Dash Cam offer unique advantages. If you prioritize video quality and advanced features, the VIOFO may be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option with solid performance, the GKU Dash Cam is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.